licensed realtor in North Carolina and South Carolina. Today I'm in Burlington, North Carolina at Macintosh on the Lakes, looking at a Windsor home community, and we're getting ready to look at their SouthPort plan. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, currently being offered at $339,990. All right, this is the SouthPort plan, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, $339,990 ask price. All right, you walk in and we've got stairs to the right. They are still working on this one. Love that stone fireplace, so pretty. Here's your half bath. Big open living room, dining area, and huge kitchen with massive counter space here. Little pond in the back. Two-car garage. This one is not quite yet ready, but definitely would say it would be move-in ready within the month. So all of your bedrooms are going to be upstairs. Laundry once you get to the top. Walk down the hallway. This is your primary bedroom. And bathroom. Huge walk-in closet. Second bathroom with a double vanity. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. And bedroom number 4. All right, there you have it. That's the SouthPort plan. If you're interested in taking a private tour, reach out to me. My contact information is below. And if you just enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel for more.